last year lang when Vice Cosmetics released this BT21 collection. Ito yung mga nabili ko. Gamit na gamit ko naman sila lalo this Tata lip tint. But hindi ko rin nabili yung buong set kasi alam nyo na, tagtipid. Ang hindi ko na-expect is that Vice Cosmetics will be releasing a second collab collection with BT21 this year, and I was fortunate to receive a PR package. Sharing my unboxing and swatching on this video. Enjoy! Cute. Super love the packaging, panay BT21. So, sabi dun sa box, Vice BT21 collection is back with 2 brand new formulas that are not only fun to look at, but are perfect for glowing, fresh, and everyday looks. These high quality and high pigment, yet affordable products are true to Vice Cosmetics' core mission of Ganda for All. As usual, their products are paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. You can also avail this PR box on Lazada this August 10, pero may pre-order na siya na ongoing till August 9. Yung box may kasamang ganitong pouch. It's same size ng passport ko, so perfect fit. Cute. Swatching time. Let's start with Cheeky Blush. They are for 195 pesos per tube. Hindi ko mahanap yung size niya pero it's available in 4 shades. And they are buildable, blendable. And ang bango niya, sobrang bango. And nakaka-fresh talaga yung itsura niya. Pwede na pagka Zoom meeting lang or inuman. The next products are my favorites, the Dewy Tints. They're also for 195 pesos and comes in 4 shades. Favorite ko siya kasi sobrang nagsistain siya talaga. Mahirap siya tanggalin dun sa arm ko. And sabi nga dun sa flyer, it has a staining effect of a tint but the dewiness of a lip gloss. So hindi siya drying. Ending this video with a try-on. Sorry, photos lang. Hindi pa ako sanay mag-video ng face. But at least you get to see na easy to use yung products. And kahit na ano pa yung bilhin mo sa new collection of Vice Cosmetics BT21 and kahit anong combination pa yung itry mo, babagay talaga. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!